Let's see if this one's easy for you, Danny. For you, Danny. Just me? Yes. Okay. It's not attached, so don't sit on it. I know.
Tip right over.
So what's this for?
Chicken.
Oh, chicken.
2 chickens.
I didn't know they had chicken.
Remember that? From their old house?
Danny, want to go on the seesaw? What is that? Oh yeah. Want to? Come on. I like the chicken. Come on, let's go on the seesaw. I don't understand chicken. Dad, can we go on the seesaw?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Can I come on, guys? There's that. Yeah.
Wait, stay here, Danny. No, Mom's going right back out.
What's in there?
It's on my storage.
Awesome. What?
It's yours. Happy birthday. It's kind of heavy, so. Okay, so I brought your outfit. You want to put your outfit on that we got?
Look.
I'll show you how it works. Okay, you gotta lift this thing up. Gotta turn the gas on, which is this thing right here. Turn it like that.
But I don't have a helmet, Mom.
Well, it's in the car.
Oh, cool.
I'm just gonna show you how
Like
to turn it on.
helmet?
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna put it to start.
Uh-huh.
And then you see this thing right here?
Yeah.
Put that down and you go.
Like there's no place to put my feet.
There's little pig. Danny, let me see.
Asphalt.
Woo!
Oh! Oh! Oh, my brother's my little brother, a professional dirt bike rider.
Professional, well, not quite yet.
That's
Come on, Dad! Danny's all ready!
Daddy's adjusting.
Is your,
You gotta do both of these, okay? So you stop, okay?
Mom,
Huh.
can I have a dirt bike for my birthday?
probably not. They're expensive.
How much is that?
Go ahead.
That way?
Go past me.
You want dirt?
No, that way.
It's a fun bike.
Down.
35 miles an hour.
Oh, yeah. Watch me go up that hill.
Okay.
One more time. Look how far he is.
Did they put all the
Watch out, baby.